So, what about Tirumala? Why did you not write? Tirumala, Badri, Sarif, Aram, Naidu. Why did you not write?
Sir, didn't get answer, sir.
Didn't get answer. Then what you practicing? Okay, now today, okay, same yesterday. How you taken the session? Same like that only. Group like two members. One person asks 5 questions. Another person. Okay, once it is completed, reverse. That guy is going to ask 5 questions. Okay. Avinash and Tirumala, you people like group. Okay. Avinash, you can ask 5 questions to him. Okay, so for what topics we covered? Topics you know, right? Variables, functions, classes, and the list. These 4 topics. Ask 5 questions to Tirumala. You can ask start.
Okay.
See, if you should have to ask the questions also, not like always telling the answers. You have to ask some questions too. Okay. Ask 5 questions to you. Tirumala, you are the person, okay? You can. Tirumala and Avinash. Go ahead.
The first question is like explain the internal process of executions.
What is the question?
I'm audible.
Yeah.
Explain the internal process of execution, program execution.
Okay, program execution. Tirumala, you can answer it. Okay, Avinash and Ram. Okay. Ram, you there? Ram Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Avinash is going to ask 5 questions to you. You can answer it. Okay. And then you can ask 5 questions to him. Okay.
Oh.
Avinash, you can go ahead. You can ask him.
So the first question is, what is the internal process of program execution?
What?
Krishna, you don't know? Avinash, you can ask another question.
Okay, sir. So if a variable is defined like if equals to VTS.
Right? Okay. At this, Avinash is going to ask some questions to you. You also ask some questions to him. Five questions. Okay.
Python questions or Java questions?
Python questions.
Okay.
Okay, Avinash, you can ask her. She can.
So if we define a variable like if if equals to VTS, what is the error we get?
If if is equal to
With VTS.
Okay, but yeah, if is a like predefined, right?
Yeah, if is a predefined variable.
Yeah, so that we should not use if.
What is the type of error?
I'm not sure about the error because I don't remember now, but we will get error.
Okay, it is like a syntax error.
Okay.
Ask another question. 5 questions you can ask.
Sir, I will say. Define F2 of there is a function F2 and internally there is another function F3 and it's like a printing Sachin. And the second statement is like F3 calling. What is the output?
Sorry, what is the question? I have a function f2 and it is returning one more function f3.
And the second statement is like F3 calling. Sir, can I share the screen?
Yes, you
Sure.
can share the screen and show it to me.
Good.
Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, visible.
Go to Python. Go to Python editor. Can you maximize this one?
If I call it, if I execute it, what is the output?
Actually, you can't call F3 like this, right? It's so you're asking me to say the error message. Name F3 is not defined because you can't directly call F3, right?
Avinash, what you're trying to ask?
I mean, sir, if we call F3 directly, then it is going to be an error. F3 is name error. F3 is not defined.
We not call directly, right? F3 is inside Fn, right? Okay, it's not like calling directly. Okay,
Okay.
you have to call like Fn. Okay, if we call like Fn, then the time output is like VDS. Avinash, what's your question?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I forgot to call.
Hmm. If I call it, what's your answer? What's the answer?
VTS only.
VDS only, right?
Yeah.
No.
No.
I was thinking, I was not seeing that indentation. I thought he's calling F3 like directly.
Yeah. Ask next question. Not theoretical, you can ask. If take more, sometimes more time. You don't have any questions?
Theoretically, sir, only one program.
Good.
Only one program I will write, sir.
Right, right.
Okay. Sir. So what is the output now?
Here, I think it is going to be recursive because you are calling F3 inside Fn inside the F3, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
it's right.
okay.
Sir, no.
Artha, can you ask some questions?
Yeah. So if I want to in Python, if I want to declare variable which will take 10, how can I define? I want to define a variable that has to take 10. So how can I define?
A equals to 10.
Okay, and can I reassign a value to string?
Yeah,
Okay, and is Python supports overloading?
no, not supports.
No, not supports.
Okay, what is the meaning of underscore underscore unit in Python?
It is like a constructor which is in the
Constructor.
which is in the class.
Okay, and what is the meaning of self?
Self is the current class
It
object.
is currently predefined. It is added by the Python people.
Okay, how to define a function in Python?
Def and then function name and then brackets and then colon. And
Okay,
we
what
can write
is
statements without with indentation.
okay? Can we use curly braces?
No, we can't.
And what is
No,
encapsulation?
What, I didn't get it. Come again.
What is encapsulation in hoops?
I don't know this one. I forgot it.
Okay, what is abstraction?
no. It's true.
What is interface? What is class?
Class is a collection of
That is a
variables
collection
and
of
methods.
variables and methods.
Okay, and inside the class, if I want to invoke a method, if I don't pass any argument, what is the error message after I create an object for the class? If I'm
Take
trying to
one position.
and
What?
got 0.
Please repeat the question.
Yeah, I have a class and I'm trying to access the method from the class after creating an object for it. I'm not passing any argument. Without passing any argument, I'm calling. What is the error message?
The error message is like it takes one positional parameter, but 0 was given.
Yeah. And can we assign decimal value? Can we create decimal value in Python?
Yeah, using
Yes.
it is a data type float.
Okay, how to find the type of variable?
There is a class called predefined class called type. Using that we
Okay.
can find
Is it type or type of?
which type of type within the
And what is the
braces.
meaning? Okay, I have object class, array class, and I want to know the methods, predefined methods provided by Python. How can I find it out?
Using dir.
Using dir.
What is dir?
It's a function.
It's a function or method?
It's a function.
What are magic methods in Python?
Methods are which we get within the underscores.
What is module in Python? How to identify it is a module?
It must have some statements.
So if I have some statements in the module, then in the file, I can consider it's a module.
These all concepts we discussed, right? Hmm? Yeah, you can answer anyone. Ranmuka, sorry, anyone. Artha, can you ask some more questions?
Sure, sir. I'll ask. Can you tell me like data types which supported by Python?
Int,
Okay,
string,
sorry, you
float,
can answer. Sorry, you only answer. Sorry.
Int, string, boolean,
In string boolean, range,
range.
set, dict,
Tirumla, you can wait.
set, array, dictionary.
Tirumla, you can wait for some time. Sorry, if you want to answer, Artha, can you ask 5 questions to him?
Yeah. Can you tell me the difference between list and set?
Sorry, if you don't know, just tell me. Okay, don't know like that. Okay, so that she'll ask another question.
Uh, list, the difference between list, tuple, and set.
List is
What is the purpose of print in Python?
Sorry, if you there,
Yes, sir.
then tell. Then what you preparing?
Can we use default parameters for the Python functions?
Yes.
yes, we can use.
Okay, what is dictionary? Why we go for dictionary?
A dictionary not covered. List of modules, oops, concepts, variables, and functions you can ask.
Okay, how to comment Python code?
Using yes.
Using
What if it
hash.
is multi-line?
What? Ma'am?
What if
What?
it is multi-line? Multi-line. I want to comment multi-line. You can use hash for single line. What if I want to comment multi-lines? Can anyone tell like the data types supported by Python?
Int, string, float, dictionary, set, range,
Artha, can I ask some questions to Kavya? Kavya, you there?
Yes, Kavya is there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can ask. Remaining people just wait. Okay. Arpita, you can ask some questions.
Okay, yeah. So if I say type of array class, what it's going to return?
Can you repeat it again?
I'm just using the syntax type of array class. So what is the output? Print,
You mean list class, list. Okay.
yeah, sorry. Yeah, list class.
Type of list.
Type of listers.
Yeah, it's going to give class type, right? Okay. You can ask next question.
Yeah, like how to, can you tell me the methods which we use in list class
List
object?
I think predefined methods, right?
Yeah, predefined methods.
Okay, append is used to insert any element at the end of the list, but the extend is used to combine any two types of list into a single list. And list append, and we can also do slicing by with the help of index positions. Next, pop, we can get last element, push, stack and view we're using pop and push. Next,
Oh, okay. Go ahead with the next question. Yeah.
Yeah. Like you were saying, like append, right? May I know how many arguments append will take maximum?
only one argument.
What about extend?
Extend, we can combine two lists into a single list. Extend is used to combine any two lists. Like
But how
also,
many arguments it takes maximum?
extend also we can give we can give argument as a one list. And count function also we can get number of elements. And length of a list. Clear means we'll get the entire data type is cleared, and copy will get external clone like list.
Okay. What about remove? Remove method?
Remove means we can specify the value to remove an item from the list. And reverse is to -1 also with the help of slicing. We can reverse the list. Also, we can use predefined method like reverse. And again sorting, which we can arrange in ascending order. Next,
What is the
okay,
use of
with the, okay.
copy? What is the use of copy?
It returns a copy of list. Original list is not affected when we do certain manipulations in the list.
Okay. Like, may I know list is mutable or immutable?
mutable,
What about set?
We can change set is immutable.
Tuple?
Tuple and set are immutables. Both tuple and set. Once they are defined, we cannot change the values.
Can we use sort method in list class?
Yes, sort if dynamically, like automatically, if you use sort function, it will arrange in the ascending order. But if we use sort in reverse true or false, we can specify in order how we can specify it whether it's sort in ascending order or descending order with reverse equals to true or false with the help of reverse equals to true or false.
Okay, Kavya. Artha,
Yes, sir.
you can stop. Kavya,
Yes, sir.
Can you ask some questions to Shanmuka? Shanmuka, you there?
Yes,
Can you speak a little bit loud?
yes.
Your voice is not audible properly.
Yes, audio.
No.
No. Hello?
Yeah, Kavya, you can go ahead. You can ask questions in variables, okay, functions, modules, OOPS concepts, and a list. Okay, you can ask at least 5 questions. Good.
One more thing, Kavya told set is immutable, right? But set is immutable, no?
Yeah, mutable. You can change it.
Yeah. I mean, just I got confused.
Yeah, sure. Thanks. Kavya, you can go ahead.
Yes, sir. What is the basic definition of variable? What is the use of variable in Python?
Store the value and it can be reusable.
Okay. How many ways you can assign values to a variable?
How many ways?
Like, or we can assign single time, or multiple variables can assign
It is
at a
called
single time.
single.
Yeah, we can assign, right? A equals to B equals to C equals to 3 or something. A comma B comes C equals something like that. Okay, Kavya, you can go ahead. Next one.
Okay, what is the basic difference between global and static variables,
Global means it can
which we are using in class and functions?
static. It is accessed through any type of class,
Okay.
and a global particular inside of the class.
So what is the main difference between while and do while loop?
Why?
While and do while.
While and do while it iterates on the data. It can multiple times you call it can be get the access from the statement.
No,
While
no, no. In do while, first we will execute the body of a loop, and again after the execution we'll check the condition. But in the while loop, first only it will check the condition and enter into the loop. So types of arguments, Mr. Shanmuka, types of arguments in function.
types of argument keyword arguments and default argument
Okay.
and order of arguments and variable length. And also positional arguments also.
So what is the main advantage of the tuple?
Tuple, it is not duplicate elements or not duplicate elements in the tuple list.
Okay.
It is immutable.
If it is something wrong, just you can tell answer.
Okay, sir. Let him tell me.
Yeah.
Duplicate elements are not printed in the tuple.
Okay. So the main advantage of the tuple is if you want to fix any data, but further if you want to change any data also, the main copy of the data should not be changed. So for example, employee data or student data should not be changed until their existence. So tuple is used to store heterogeneous data types also. Store multiple items in a single variable, the main advantage, which is ordered and unchangeable. Tuple is. Okay, sir, I am done.
Yeah, can you ask some questions in OOPS also to another person wrong? Can you ask? Oops. Rom, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kavya, you can go ahead.
So in classes we use init function, no?
Yes.
What is the advantage of the init function? Why we are using?
Init is a constructor.
Okay.
Use of constructor is when we create an object to the class, that constructor will create a memory for that class to use members of the class.
Assign object properties and operations.
Yes.
Okay. So why we are using Python for rather than we are preferring Python from rather than all languages, no? So what is
Yes.
the main reason?
Why we go for Python is a object oriented language, and it is a dynamically typed language. For any other language, initially we need to assign a data type, but coming to Python, we don't need to assign any data type. It is dynamically typed, and it is easy to create variables.
Okay, but the main advantage is it contains predefined modules and packages. So
Okay.
in other languages doesn't contain NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Mainly for the large amount of data sets, data frames, we are using these libraries. Furtherly, these libraries only we are going to use most rather than these for loops, while loops, variables. So,
Okay.
so we have to be away from these all the variables. Then only we can do further packages and modules very easily.
Okay.
Modules or packages are the main concept in Python. Another languages will not prefer for data frames or to organize or to analysis, for graphs drawing, for mathematical operations. NumPy is used, no, mean, median, sum.
Okay.
Okay. So what are the predefined methods which are used in the string? String.
Like index, upper, lower, uh, I forget it.
Okay, how many ways we can define string? Okay, predefined methods are length. We are using the length function to find the length of the string, no?
Yes.
Okay, we are using whether the string is existing in or not in, like we are in function keyword like in.
In or not in.
Yeah, not in, yes. Slicing is also used in strings, no? Slicing.
Yes.
To get the specific substring or to get any substring. So, what is the slicing operation for getting reverse of a string?
In slicing, it takes 3 arguments, not 3 arguments.
No. What is the main syntax for reversing of a string by using slicing?
Reversing, last one is -1.
No. Can you repeat it again?
In slicing, we
Yes. Okay. We are using slicing in the square brackets, no?
Yes, square brackets లో లాస్ట్
Okay.
ఇది నెగిటివ్
No,
ఇస్తే
in
రివర్స్
place of అవునవును colon -1 అని యూజ్ చేస్తే స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది రివర్స్ అయ్యే ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది.
ఎస్
ఎస్. సో ఈ స్లైసింగ్ యాక్సెప్ట్స్ నెగటివ్ ఇండెక్సింగ్.
ఎస్
ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ సైడ్?
ఫ్రమ్
Like
రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్.
డైరెక్షన్. ఎస్. Which we are using which operator to combine the two strings?
కాన్కెట్ ప్లస్.
Yes, concat. If in the place of strings we have integers, no, that we will get addition, or if the data types is string, we get addition.
ఎస్ కాన్కెట్.
Okay, we also have capitalized method in a string.
ఎస్ ఓకే.
Capitalize means if,
స్ట్రింగ్
for every word first character is converted to uppercase. Like title will get title, no? For every word we'll keep first letter in capital.
ఓకే.
Okay. We know count, we'll get length of the string. So we get there is also predefined method ends with in string. It returns boolean value like true or false. If we want to specify any string value as an argument to the ends with,
ఓకే.
if the value which are passed as an argument and the value which is present at the end of the string, if it is both are matched, then it
Okay.
returns true or else false.
ఓకే.
Also we have is numeric, is decimal, is digit, is alpha numerical. To whenever we want to specify each index of a string, these methods are used to find the what data type of an character.
ఓకే.
Oh. So what are the pillars of hoops? Pillars of hoops.
Pillars of hoops is encapsulation, abstraction,
Yes.
encapsulation, abstraction, interface, fourth one, inheritance.
Polymorphism will not accept
Yeah.
in hoops.
Yes, polymorphism. Yes,
Polymorphism. Okay. Types of inheritance.
There is 3 types of what? Come again.
Types of
Types.
inheritance.
Yes, 3 types.
Okay.
Single,
Fi-
multi-level, multiple.
Hierarchical.
Hierarchical, I don't know. I know 3: single,
Okay.
multi-level, multiple.
Yeah, Kavya,
Python
you can tell remaining also. Can you explain?
Okay. Types of inheritance are 5 types.
Okay.
Single level, we know single level, one parent is one parent on one base class and one child class. Parent class and child class.
Sorry, not audible clearly.
Okay, 1 minute. So inheritance is the acquiring characters from the base class to the child class, no?
Yes.
So then the main 5 types of inheritance are single inheritance, where one parent class and one child class, one parent class is acquired characters from one child class.
Okay.
Next, multiple inheritance, multiple. Multiple means one parent class can two base classes can acquire characters from one methods and properties from one single parent.
One single parent.
One single parent. Parent is common. Two childs will present.
No.
And
What come again? I don't understand.
multiple. Oh. Sorry. Two parents will contain so one single child. Okay, child can acquire properties and methods from both the parents, but both parents cannot acquire one methods and properties from each other.
Yes.
Okay, parent A, parent B, child A.
No,
Next,
then what
multi-level. Multi-level, one parent class, child class, parent class, like grandparent class. Hierarchy. Okay.
Yes.
Next, we completed multi-level. No, hierarchical class. So one parent contains three childs. More than one derived class, you know.
What?
From single parents,
Okay.
more than two children. That is known as hierarchical class, which is not accepted most of Python, basically.
Okay.
Hybrid means it contains chain-like structure, like diamond shape. Parent A, class B, parent A, child B, child A, like parent.
Okay.
Both hierarchical and hybrid will not accept by Python. By using interface, we can achieve it. I think
Okay.
interface. Okay. Yes, sir. I'm done. Most of the questions I have completed up to now. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm completed my turn. Most of the
Yeah.
questions I have covered.
Yeah. Thanks, Kavi. For remaining people, you understood, right? You have to focus more. Okay, you have to prepare. Arun, are you there? Arun Naidu.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. I'm asking Arun Naidu. Okay. Then we'll continue tomorrow as usual. Our sessions. Okay, next we are going to start with the tuple. Okay, tomorrow we can discuss. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Kavi. Bye.
Thank you.